of India Science, Technology and Innovation Portal. www.indiascience. Wait. Penih. Wakhi. Ida nak kitlim. Sky tu. Okey tu. Neng lap dia nak khalaya gini.
Hijau ini di Pesnana ujian kesian. Ini di Basket. Di body oil kita
Body oil. Bertelang.
Jadi pada kita solve higit biasa bagi pula. Tadi ni
Sabun. Tenat kan? Okey. Kita bersyuak mah. Slipper. These are your products.
We utilize the banana stem. We extract the banana fiber from this so that we can make into like these products like the bags and we have a home also that can be made from banana fiber. It's durable.
This product are from Manipur.
Yes, currently the manufacturing is Manipur.
Okay, thank you. This is telescope.
Yes.
Fossils. Okay, you say?
Same thing.
Okay. Okay. Wood fossil. Okay.
Generally found in the riverbed area.
Okay.
Riverbed area. And these are leaf impression.
Okay.
Fossils. Earlier it was plant. It's extinct. It is around 65 million years old. 65 million years old.
Okay.
And
Coconut.
you see, this is the coconut fossil.
Coconut fossil.
Yeah, we have collected from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
Yeah, it is also around 65 to 70 year old.
Okay.
Designs antimicrobial resistance, bioantimicrobial microbial diversity. Aims to make genomics data more accessible. Together, let's unlock. Today, we're excited to introduce the One Day, One Genome initiative across India. This initiative will
So we should see all the leaders of India and all the contributors of India and all the India to the next level. Thanks to each and every one of you. And I wish all of you.
Thank you very much for your wishes. So we have three movements today. The first one is Ceasefire ICT, situated in Kanpur. The second one is Ceasefire.
अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं और हम लोग इस दावत है इसके बारे में पता करा है और
Bagi CE. Side of the moon, kanya mo. Take the far side. Welcome to the dark side of the moon. This is the other side of the moon that we never see. Kani kabanta jong banai ka bangim pad yu imano menoro. Im takasni hakan ka IISF Hajar Pusau Indian International Science Festival bi. Paji yang banai kum tu sedien ru long kum tu. Ang pengisan khmat. Baik ini South Pole yang banai, South Pole. Ni South Pole.